Hello everyone, my name is Varchasa Agarwal and welcome to my channel Varchasa Codes. Today I am going to tell you how to record a screen using Python. Before heading towards, subscribe to my channel to never miss an update. Today's agenda is what is a screen recorder, how to take a screenshot and how to record your screen. I think all of you know that what is a screen recorder. But what is Screen Recorder SDK? It is a Python library that is used for taking screenshots at some interval and record screen as well as many times you want. I will be using Visual Studio Code and recommend you to use the same. Let's start the coding. Now, first I will import the required libraries, that is time library, and we will import Screen Recorder SDK. Alright, after that we will take input of hours, that how much time we want our screen to be recorded, okay, and seconds. After that we will enable the dev logger. After that we will record the params using record params function, and then we will initialize the screen recorder using init resources function. Init resources function and taking the params as an argument of this. Now we will take the screenshot using get screenshot function. And we will be saving the screenshot using sample.png. You can choose your name by which you want to save your picture. After that we will start the video recording using start video recording function. Start video recording, and here our arguments will be the file name by which we want to save our video and 30 bitrate and 80 lakhs of frame rate. Alright, now our time limit will be set by using sleep function of time library. I will be converting whole time in seconds. Now we will stop the recording using stop recording function. Alright, now let's run this program. See what it returns. First it will ask the number of hours. Let's take a sample input of 0 hours and seconds of 30 seconds. Now this whole screen is recorded for 30 seconds. Alright, and when our video gets stopped, I will show you that where the screenshot and the video get saved. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Okay, now our video is stopped. Alright, let's have a look that where our screenshot and video get saved. Alright, now both the files are saved where the program is saved. You can see the screenshot and you can play this MP4 file by going into your file directory. So you can see that displays successfully and our video gets recorded and our time is of 30 seconds. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. I have also written an article on Medium for better understanding of this program. I will be giving the code and the article link in the description box. Thank you and have a nice day, and see you all in my next video.